everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my prayer journal. This is just something that I do, and I just wanted to share it with people. So whenever you pray, guys, sometimes you'll forget what you need to pray for. You'll forget someone that asked you to pray for them. And so that's kind of why I keep a prayer journal. This is something new for me that I've been doing probably in the last 6 months or so. I don't know exactly when. So if you're like me in the past, you just pray just whatever is on the top of your head or in your heart. But sometimes, like, my husband and I will end the prayer, or as someone is ending the prayer and the other one is saying, oh, don't forget so-and-so in this situation, or don't forget, this person. And so I started doing a prayer journal so I wouldn't forget and I would stay on track. Sometimes when you're doing alone prayer time, let's face it, guys, we're all human. And all of a sudden you get tired. All of a sudden you can't remember stuff. Sometimes things pop in your head. You totally forgot you were praying and now you're thinking about something else. So I decided to make a prayer journal so I could stay on task in my prayer life, because prayer life is very important and prayer changes situations. So I've just used this happy planner, and I'll just show you what I do. Actually, that's not the one. So I just used, this was just the regular book page. Like, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I just used these stickers from this Happy Planner classic sticker sheets. And I just used whatever ones that I thought would go on my prayer journal. So, like, for instance, this one, it had a lot of places to write, like this one here. There's a bunch of other ones, and I also decorate. So I use these squares. So for instance, see the squares here? I just put them just randomly on top of this 2-page spread. And this is my prayer journal. And so what I'll do is I'll go through each area and I'll pray about the different situations. Now, this is another way you can do it, by using different stickers. You can put, like, for instance, here you can put all the people that you're praying for salvation for. In each of these little boxes, you can put different situations. For example, this is totally random. Brenda and her operation. Felix, praying for his job. Like more specific stuff. You can put different things in here. Prayers for health, people that are going through health issues. You can hear marital, praying for strength of marriages. These are just all random things that I'm just coming up with just to show you. And then as you pray, give your opening prayer, praise the Lord, thank God for whatever it is he has bestowed on you, and then just start praying for each one of the situations. Go ahead and pray with your eyes open. It's okay. And so maybe in here you want to highlight and put certain people you're praying for. Maybe these would be your kids. And so you could put them in there and pray about the different situations. You can do whatever you want. If you don't have stickers, and these stickers did not even really go with this with the book that I am now using, but it doesn't matter, And if you don't have stickers, you can use highlighter pens. So here I'm just showing you an example. I just made some designs with the highlighter pens. And then in each one of these, you can put all your prayer lists and your prayer requests. Another thing you can do for those crafters out there, you can make little Twinchies. And so, like, this is just an example. Of course, you would leave more space on there, and you can glue the the Twinchies in place. I kind of like this, just a little folder, and you can put the folders all over the page, and then you just lift it up and pray about the situation. You can write here and here. You can use Post-it notes. You can use whatever you want. Just let your creativity go and flow. I also had these. There were flowers in here. You can take these out. You can decorate the top, cover this with a sticker, leave it there if you want to, and put people's names in here. Like, for instance, you're praying for their salvation. You put all their names in the salvation, bottle. You could put a Brad in here. You can use the back. Just so many ways to go. Just use what you have in your stash. Yeah, I just wanted to encourage you guys out there to get into a deeper prayer life. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I do. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I'll check in with you guys again. Bye.